Wanna know what happened when you get arrested by the police on one of the biggest bridges in Europe? Or when you get another flat under a bright sunny day? Welcome back to the crazy Super 73 journey, the last chapter. In this last video, I will reach my destination, seeing the most inspiring nature and landscape I've ever seen. And I will bring you crossing the sea from Denmark to Sweden, and I hope you are ready for it. So let's go.
You're being charged with driving on the motorway.
Oh, stop. I'm not gonna show you the police guy and everything. I'm just gonna give you the long story short. I got arrested. The police guy says, you're gonna pay a fine. You're gonna pay the toll of this bridge. You're stupid. Didn't you see that this place is not for bikes, it's a highway? He checked my papers, go to his car, checked everything. I start talking with his partner who's enjoying the bike, telling him this crazy adventure I'm doing. And then you get interested. I'm telling him, yeah, I'm going from Paris to Sweden. This is the only way for me to cross Denmark and go to Helsingborg. And he said, but you should have taken the train, not the highway. I know, but I couldn't. I mean, how do you take the train with the trailer and this kind of bike? So he goes to his partner. If they start talking and they said, okay, you follow us, we get to the toll place where you're gonna pay for the bridge. And then...
No bridge.
No bridge. All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. No fine. I was so scared during all the process. And they even told me, if they were to find me, they had to take the bike with them. This is one of the reasons they didn't find me and just let me go. Thank you, Danish police. Thank you, Denmark. I think I owe this to the bike. You know, they've been watching the bike. If you don't want to get arrested like me, you need to smash the like button and subscribe. Might not do anything for you, but it does help for me. All right, back to the video. Oh my God. I'm not doing that again. I crossed this huge bridge that is joining both of the main island of Denmark. I shouldn't have. And you can't use the highway. Although it's an electric motorcycle, it's still an e-bike. Danish people are so nice. Thank you, Danish police, for letting me go. You guys are amazing. I love it. The last stop in Denmark, and then I'll be in Sweden. Here I am in Denmark with my good friends
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That I
Oh,
met.
yeah.
I had a great lunch.
Come to Denmark, everybody.
And I saw this. Now I'm walking because my trailer has a flat, but it's not the bike, it's the trailer. I need to do 6 kilometers to go to the nearest bike shop and get this one fixed. Should take me an hour. I'm using the walk feature. When you press this button down, you have the walk feature, and this starts the engine. I'm just holding the bike with one hand and it's moving itself, which is good because when you have a trailer behind, pushing the bike is much better when it's doing it itself. You don't use it often, but very cool feature when you need it. All right, it's all repaired. Going to Helsingborg. That was cool. We have 2 hours of traveling to go over there and then take the ferry. Whoa, whoa. I made it. This is Sweden on the other way. Now is how do we get there? Hello. To go to Helsingborg?
Yes. One way only?
Yes. Woohoo! I'm taking the ferry. I'm taking the ferry. Da 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 da. I'm so excited to go on the ferry. This is the last country we're crossing on this crazy epic adventure. I'm so excited to go to Sweden. This is so cool. Woohoo! This is so cool. Oh, okay, we're going. Look at that. Woohoo! Whoa, look at that. Bye-bye, Denmark. And hello, Sweden. Woohoo! If you get the opportunity to take your Super 73 and go on an epic journey like this, you should do it. You should do it. This is so cool. I just crossed the border without any identification again. I'm like, oh, I'm in Sweden. This is crazy. I'm so happy to be in Sweden. I crossed 5 countries. I did it. Sometimes I don't understand the traffic lights, how it works. Okay, I should go. My ass is killing me right now. I'm in Sweden! Woo! Second day! Woo! It's nearly over. I've done all this. This is so random. Look at this place. Like this small beach. This is so cool. I just wanna sit and enjoy. Look at that. Sweden, you are beautiful. Oh, this is cold. Oh, this is cold. Oh. Look at this small island over there. Have you seen this small island? This is so cute. Where is the road? Google. You know what happened last time? I kept going in the field. So this time it's a no-no. Yeah! My hotel! With COVID, everything looks dead. I'm scared. I didn't call that the mad epic adventure for nothing, right? The place looked like it's abandoned, but the room looks cool. Don't judge the book from its cover, as always. Woo! It's been real! Thank you! Although you scared the shit out of me when I arrived. Biking with the Revigin is much better than biking with the rain pants. As expected, and it looks cooler. This place is beautiful. The most annoying part of charging your battery is finding the correct... The 2,000 kilometers are done. This is amazing and I love it. Woohoo!
This is it. This is it. No time to be nervous anymore. Have to go meet David on this beautiful weekend. I'm so nervous.
This is the result of 6 months of work, preparation, and doing it for the last 2 weeks. This is crazy. So happy. I'm so happy. Woohoo! Woohoo! 60 kilometers, guys. 60 kilometers left. David, thank you for having me and inviting me. I'm so excited to meet you. I'm so excited to meet you. Thank you to everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks to all the brands who work with me. Super 73, Revit, Radical Design, GoPro, QuoverMe, Squirt Cycling Product, and Geodis. And thank you for MakeAChange.world for agreeing to dedicate my last 1,000 kilometers to them. Thanks to Sam. This is amazing. Finish the last 8 kilometers. It's amazing. I love it. Woohoo! All right, we're here. Oh, the man himself.
Whoa! You have arrived!
Hey, David.
This is insane. You're nuts, man.
How are you?
This is what we do, kind of. Yeah.
And if you want to see what happened, go check out David JP Phillips' channel. We had an amazing session together and we filmed it. Thank you guys. This is the end of Mad Adventures Season 2. Keep riding, make adventure, and I'll see you on the next video.